Call to order the emergency meeting for the Popcorn Tin Council.
Emergency? What's the problem?
What's the big deal? What's the emergency?
Guys, it's only 3 days till Christmas, and we still need an idea for Scotty's present.
Does anybody have any bright ideas?
How about a demolition derby?
Laser shocks.
Vat of acid.
Harsh lava.
Yes, Pony Boy?
I've got something to say. I know I'm old. I realize this thing has gotten completely out of control. Every year, we try to do something for Scotty, and every year it just ends up dark. It just ends up mean. The popcorn gets ruined. Fireworks. Putting cow manure in it. It's got to stop. I need it. You guys have got to change your attitude on this stuff.
Okay, that just happened. Well, back to business.
Hey, what are you two doing?
We're just playing Angry Birds.
This is serious, and you guys are playing video games?
Ha 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 ha.
That's it!
Yeah, I like that idea. All right, everybody, I think I've got what we've got to do.
50 feet of industrial strength surgical tubing.
Heavy metal pipe.
An electrical cable winch.
Props with attitude!
Hey, Dad, you're kind of channeling your inner Bob Ross right now.
We love Bob Ross. Maybe we should put a happy little bird over there.
Don't you mean an angry little bird?
We should include Scotty this year.
Angry Birds is his favorite game.
Yeah, let's go get him.
Yeah!
Get him! Get him!
Whoa! What the heck? What's going on? Hey! What in the world?
I'll get behind him.
What's going on here? What's the big idea, you guys?
Merry Christmas,
Oh
Daddy!
my gosh! Angry Birds, what is this?
We made you a popcorn Angry Birds, Scotty. I hope you like it.
I love Angry Birds. Sweet.
Let's hook it up!
Let's do this. Woo! All right, how far should we go, Scotty? Let's launch this puppy. Do it. Oh! Oh no! Okay, we missed the target. We gotta get way closer, boys. Attempt number 2. Let's launch this sucker. Oh!
Found it!
Try this again? Let's try it again. Maybe third time's the charm, yes. Let's launch it at these birds. Direct hit! This is the final one. Let's try to hit the TNT. Fire in the hole! Wow!
Guys, we did it! We did it! Wait, did you guys hear that?
It's Grandpa! What?
What's going on here? I told you guys to behave. I said no more popcorn abuse. What is going on here?
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal! Should we give Scotty some? Nah. Rip.
Nice.
Don't mess with the birds.
Nice.